Welcome to the exciting world of homeschooling. Come on, kids. Mama is taking you into the world of two best friends. Here they are, Khadija and Farwah. Two lovely friends. They can barely spend a moment without each other. Their laughter, their games, everything is shared together. Sitting on the swings, side by side, singing with the wind, their giggles echo through the air, as if every day is a new fair. Sometimes Khadija's little pranks scare Farwa a bit. A sudden hug attack, and then loud laughter follows. In this friendship, even mischief turns into joy. A little sulking, a little frown, but one sweet flower of love brings hearts back together. That's how true friends are. Today they are princesses, crowns on their heads, frocks swirling as they twirl before the mirror. Their world of dreams feels real because their hearts are pure and their friendship is magical. Another beautiful day of friendship comes to an end, but one promise still remains. Tomorrow, laughter will echo again. We'll meet again.